I'm Bubi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Ep10. This channel is where I document my life as I grow slowly, honestly, and in real life. Yeah, I know I took a break, but I'm back. Last semester was a lot. I failed in nursing school. This is me trying to get my life back together after a difficult semester, and yeah, this is proof that I've been a mess. Yeah, that's my space. Just currently edited like 3 different videos to get ready with me and a vlog for TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, you should follow me there. I post more consistently there, and mostly nursing school vlog. Yeah, I think I've forgotten how to vlog, but with C#, you guys should wish me luck. Guys, this is my last cake, and this is the vanilla. I'm not sure you guys can hear me. See me rather. I'm not sure you guys can see me, but I'm back to school. We just finished fellowship. Jesus, it feels like I'm talking in the dark. Anyways, I'm back and we just finished fellowship. So I want to go and find what to eat. This is what I look like.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around. Got me taking a step on the outside, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you in my eyes, loving me and I just you made me wanna go.
My friend said he gets to come back. Lectures ended, time to go. I have my bag here, and this is my Christmas bag. my goodness, you guys, I'm currently outside. I'm still trying to update my notes. After school, I went to the market to get stuff that we used to bake, and it was raining, so I wasted time in at the market. Then I go back and I made 3 cakes. I cut them and I put them in like tiny wraps. That takes class tomorrow. Then I had dinner. I had 2 boiled eggs, bread and tea. Then I showered. I wore this. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this tracksuit. I'm wearing a singlet. I'm currently wearing my corset, and then I'm wearing like a pajamas trouser. Then I'm updating my notes. So yeah, I just said let me give you guys updates. I'll probably end the vlog here. I just hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you for spending this time with me. I have everything figured out yet, but I'm learning and I'm choosing to keep showing up. So yeah, see you guys in my next chapter. Bye.